Albert Einstein, a name that resonates through the corridors of time, synonymous with unparalleled genius and groundbreaking discoveries. When we think of Einstein, we envision the wild-haired physicist who redefined our understanding of the universe. His theories, especially the famous equation E equals mc2, have become the bedrock of modern physics. But did you know that this towering figure in science was once considered useless? Yes, there was a time when young Albert Einstein was not seen as the prodigious talent we celebrate today. It's true. Before his revolutionary contributions to physics, young Albert faced numerous challenges. He struggled in school, often clashing with the rigid educational system of his time. He was a rebellious student, questioning authority and the conventional methods of teaching. His teachers found him difficult, and some even doubted his potential to succeed. Some teachers even thought he'd never amount to much. They saw him as a daydreamer, lost in his thoughts, rather than a diligent student. Imagine that. Little did they know, a revolution in science was brewing in his mind. While others saw a distracted student, Einstein was contemplating the mysteries of the universe. Einstein's early career was far from glamorous. After graduating, he found himself stuck in a mundane job at the Swiss patent office in Bern. Here he evaluated inventions, a task that many would consider a waste of his intellectual potential. Day in and day out, he reviewed patents, a job that seemed far removed from the world of theoretical physics, a mundane job, seemingly a waste of his potential. Yet it was in this very environment that Einstein's mind began to soar. The routine nature of his work allowed him the mental space to ponder deeper questions. Amidst the humdrum of gears and gadgets, his imagination took flight. The patent office, with its steady stream of inventions, provided a unique backdrop for his thoughts. Unconstrained by the rigid structures of academia, he was free to explore the universe in his own way. In the quiet moments between patent reviews, he developed some of his most profound ideas, laying the groundwork for his future breakthroughs. This period of his life, often overlooked, was crucial in shaping the scientist he would become. It was here that he formulated the ideas that would later revolutionize physics and earn him a place in history. So, the next time you think of Albert Einstein, remember the young man in the patent office whose seemingly mundane job was the crucible for his genius. From useless patent clerk to the father of modern physics, Einstein's journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and imagination. Born in Germany, 1879, young Albert showed a curiosity that bordered on impatience. He questioned everything. Traditional schooling frustrated him. Rote memorization wasn't for him. He craved understanding. His true classroom was the world of ideas. He devoured physics books, challenging established norms. He envisioned himself riding a beam of light. He pondered gravity's secrets. While others saw limitations, he saw possibilities. Even as his scientific star began to rise, the world around him descended into chaos. World War I cast a long shadow over Europe. Einstein, a pacifist at heart, was horrified by the destruction and bloodshed. He saw the worst of humanity, but amidst the darkness, his work offered a beacon of hope. His theories, challenging as they were, transcended borders and ideologies. Science, he believed, could be a unifying force for good. 1905, remember this year. It was Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, his miracle year. Working in obscurity at the patent office, he published 4 groundbreaking papers, each one a revolution in its own right. He was just 26 years old. These weren't just incremental advancements, they were paradigm shifts. He explained the photoelectric effect, proving light's dual nature as both wave and particle. He deciphered Brownian motion, providing evidence for the existence of atoms. And then there was relativity. Section 5, light, a particle and a wave. Light. It bathes our world in warmth and color, from the gentle hues of dawn to the vibrant spectrum of a rainbow. Light is an ever-present force in our lives. It shapes our days, influences our moods, and even drives the very processes of life itself, like photosynthesis in plants. But what is it really? For centuries, scientists pondered this question. Waves, they thought. Light travels in waves, much like ripples on a pond. This wave theory explained many phenomena such as reflection, refraction, and diffraction. But then came Einstein, who saw more. He proposed that light also behaves as particles, tiny packets of energy called photons. This was a revolutionary idea at the time, challenging the established wave theory. Einstein's photons could explain phenomena that waves alone could not, such as the photoelectric effect. This radical idea explained the photoelectric effect, where light knocks electrons off metal surfaces. When light hits a material, it can eject electrons, creating an electric current. This effect was puzzling because wave theory couldn't fully explain it. But with photons, it made perfect sense. It was a puzzle that had stumped the greatest minds. Einstein's solution? Pure genius. By introducing the concept of photons, he bridged the gap between wave and particle theories, providing a more complete understanding of light's dual nature, and it laid the foundation for quantum mechanics, a cornerstone of modern physics. Quantum mechanics delves into the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, where the rules of classical physics no longer apply. Einstein's work on light was a crucial step in this journey, opening the door to a new realm of scientific discovery. Section 6, Bending Space and Time. Einstein wasn't done shaking things up. His theory of special relativity shattered our understanding of space and time. No longer absolute, they became intertwined, relative to the observer, and then came general relativity. Gravity, he declared, wasn't a force, but a curvature in the fabric of space-time caused by mass and energy. Mind-bending? Absolutely. But it explained anomalies in Mercury's orbit and predicted the bending of starlight around massive objects. Section 7, From Useless to Icon. Confirmation of his theories, especially the bending of starlight during a solar eclipse in 1919, catapulted Einstein to global fame. Newspapers proclaimed Newton overthrown. He became a household name, his image synonymous with genius. The useless patent clerk had become a scientific superstar. He used his newfound platform to speak out against war and injustice. He championed civil rights and advocated for a world where reason and knowledge triumphed over fear and ignorance. Section 8, Einstein's enduring legacy. Einstein's impact on science is immeasurable. His contributions have shaped the very foundation of modern physics and beyond. His theories revolutionized our understanding of the universe, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. The theory of relativity, for instance, changed how we perceive time and space, fundamentally altering our grasp of reality. But his legacy extends far beyond equations and formulas. Einstein was not just a scientist, he was a philosopher, a thinker, and a humanitarian. He taught us to question everything, to challenge the status quo, and to seek answers relentlessly. He inspired generations to never stop being curious. Curiosity, he believed, was the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. He showed us the power of imagination. Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world." He emphasized the importance of independent thought, encouraging us to think for ourselves and to not be swayed by popular opinion. He challenged us to think bigger, to dream beyond the confines of our everyday lives. His work laid the groundwork for space exploration and the quest to understand the cosmos. He urged us to see beyond the immediate, to look up at the night sky and wonder about the stars, the galaxies, and the universe beyond. Einstein's enduring legacy is a testament to the power of human curiosity, imagination, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. His work continues to inspire scientists, thinkers, and dreamers around the world, reminding us that the universe is vast, wondrous, and full of possibilities waiting to be discovered. Section 9, Beyond the Science. Einstein's story is a testament to the human spirit's boundless potential. It's a reminder that brilliance can blossom in the most unexpected places, and that even in the face of adversity, one person's ideas can change the world. So next time you hear someone called useless, remember Albert Einstein, and remember that sometimes the most useless among us have the most to offer.